design project created by Bobby, Trevor, and Nicole. So in the beginning of the year, a group called Fielding Nair International came to our school and talked about redesigning MPI to create more learning environments. So we decided to base our display space theme off of using the environment and more 21st century technology. What makes good and bad design spaces? Good design spaces are interactive, they are attractive, they have a lot of flow, it's easy to understand, and there are a lot of natural aspects such as lighting. Bad design spaces are very two-dimensional, plain, they have no flow, there are bad transitions, and they are very artificial. So the top one would be an example of a good display space because it is very interactive, and the bottom one would be a bad example because it is very plain and not very aesthetically pleasing. So as we explored the campus for possible spaces, we looked at 3 spaces, one in Weinberg, one under stairs, and one by a tree. And what stood out to us the most was the tree because we could use the outdoor environment to create a better display space. And it would also have a lot of natural lighting. So our idea was to have a treehouse theme. At first we wanted to build an actual treehouse because it involved a lot of in and out flow. There was a lot of natural lighting. But due to safety issues, we decided to lower it and raise it about 3 feet above the ground. And we designed a sort of half-circle display space that includes skylights for the natural lighting. And it also uses a wall that is already there. Our idea is to turn an unused, unattractive space into an interactive space to walk around in. It fits in the surroundings with the tree and the wall, and we wanted to better utilize more of MPI that wasn't in use. This is our schematic, which shows the side, front, and top layer of our display space. So building, we would probably build it similar to a deck, which means that we would use a post and a cement anchor. We would raise at most 3 feet above the ground with the post cemented into the ground. It is a bowl shaped, which means that at certain areas it may be only a foot post or a 2-foot post. The cost, we added up to about $600. Including the lumber planks, the concrete mix, and other materials such as fiberglass in order to build the skylight. Features of our space would be great for hosting events. You can set up tents around the display space. It could be an inspiration cove with places to sit on benches in order to do homework. It's great for teachers, parents, open house, and it would really help to attract new students who are interested in applying to MPI. It's easy to access near both art buildings in Atherton, and it's also a very quiet area and secluded area. Thank you.